Power blackout incoming. XRP to $100 overnight. The SEC versus Ripple lawsuit is moving towards the main event of Hinman's testimony. This event will demonstrate whether the lawsuit will end very soon or something different might come up. This event, alongside the realistic factor, will bring about the value surge of XRP, most probably before the current month is over. There are a couple of days left until the finish of July, so we'll simply need to hang on a little bit more. Hey guys, glad to have you back. For today's video, we have a lot of juicy news for you, which includes updates about the SEC versus Ripple case and consequently a surge in Ripple's price by the end of this month. We'll talk about the victory Ripple is going to witness if they perform their best in the deposition. The upcoming cyber attack and its solution will also be discussed at the end. So stay tuned and watch the video until the end. With all that we're going to talk about in this video, we're sure it's going to be lit. Before we dive into the video, if you love money and crypto, like the video and subscribe to the channel to watch more such videos. Without further ado, let's get into the video, shall we?
You want to win an iPhone 12, maybe a MacBook Pro? How about $500 cash? You decide. All you have to do is comment the secret hidden message somewhere in this video and leave a like on this video and subscribe to the channel so we can keep affording these giveaways.
Ripple digital currency has had an unpleasant month. It ended last month at $1.11 per XRP crypto token. However, was at 62 pennies as of July 15th. That is an 838.7% drop in 1 month. Indeed, the digital currency is actually well off its peak price of $1.83 on April 13th. Nevertheless, so far this year, it is still up 161% year to date from 23.744 cents towards the finish of December. With all that happening with XRP, the experts had anticipated that a huge value surge for XRP is coming in the following few days. The one significant factor keeping down the crypto is its battle with the SEC. The recent deposition for Hinman will end up being a major success for Ripple, and it might as well end the lawsuit for good. About this victory that Ripple is going to observe in the next few days, John E. Deaton tweeted that, "Make no mistake about this ruling. It is not a small victory for Ripple. It is a significant victory that is on the same level as the victory related to the judge ordering the production of internal memorandum regarding BTC, ETH, and XRP. This is definitely not a little victory, and it will mean the real win for Ripple in terms of the lawsuit and value. For now, we simply need to hang on tight for July 27th, when we'll hear some great news. It is a great opportunity for Ripple to win the claim by posting legitimate inquiries. William H. Hinman, the former head of the SEC's Division of Corporate Finance, has openly expressed that Ethereum, just as Bitcoin, are not securities. There is so much evidence that says Ethereum is not a security, and as Ripple and Ethereum are much the same, so Ripple can clearly win this case. The fact that the SEC is now denying the fact and is saying that what Hinman said in his speech was just his own opinion is bizarre, and the world knows it. Anyways, before the end of July, XRP is expected to be relisted on popular cryptocurrency exchanges. The asset is supposed to be relisted on one of the main trades called Coinbase on July 28. Assuming the rumor goes valid, the vast majority of the trades may likewise follow Coinbase's lead and relist XRP. Other trades include Finance, US, OKCoin, Kraken, Blockchain.com, and Bitrex. This is quite possible the most bullish indicator, as the delisting of XRP from Coinbase and other exchanges has hampered the price of the coin to a large extent. It fell more than 31% after Coinbase said it would halt trading following SEC complaint against Ripple. Just know that the value of XRP will surge in the coming days. It might even reach the far-fetched but a realistic value of $100 by the end of this month. With respect to its current price, XRP is confronting a great deal of negative news, particularly since its slide has been so drastic in the previous 2 months. Some believe that it won't at any point recover, at least not in the near future. However, if we don't consider what is currently going on with the lawsuit and the negative sentiment with the XRP, still there are chances that XRP will recover. In the event that Bitcoin and Ethereum recover, there is valid justification to accept that XRP will also recover. This is seen every time these cryptos move up and XRP does as well, and vice versa. As indicated by the specialist at NASDAQ, it is thought that the trend will proceed later on in the future. On the off chance that BTC and ETH tokens have bottomed out, there is likely a similar turnaround waiting for XRP. So don't lose hope. At least now it looks like the cryptos have reached a trough. Concerns have arisen about how certain insiders have been selling their XRP currency. For example, Jed McCaleb has sold more than 100 million XRP tokens since the beginning of the month. He is Ripple's former CRO and is still receiving payments from Ripple, which he immediately sells, which puts selling pressure on the cryptocurrency. Nevertheless, on the positive side, two Japanese firms have turned to Ripple to control their remittance platform. This is actually the sort of sign up that will help make XRP more mainstream as a cryptographic money again, despite the fact that it includes Ripple, the organization, and not XRP, the digital money. As the lawsuit got closer to a main event, Finance Feed turned to the trading industry to find out their thoughts on the matter. Different groups have different perspectives about the same issue. For regulators, it is about enforcing the law. For blockchain companies, it is about regulatory clarity. For investors, it is about the price of the asset. For intermediaries, such as brokers, it is about being able to offer the best possible training experience. Natalia Zakharov, head of state of FX Open, informed Finance Feed regarding how differently the XRP has been exchanged since the lawsuit began. We have seen a sharp expansion in trading volumes identified with the increase of volatility. There was and still is a lot of interest both from institutional investors looking to hedge their positions and retail traders willing to benefit from the sharp market movements. Natalia Zakharov said XRP holders don't profit directly from the performance of Ripple Labs, and the market worth of XRP doesn't correspond directly with the productivity of Ripple Labs. At the point when asked on how the lawsuit will work out, it is difficult to say, but it is not clear if the markets care about it. Looks like they just want the case settled. We have discussed the great cyber attack that is coming. Now The Guardian has also reported about this. As indicated by the media group, the leak reveals worldwide abuse of cyber surveillance weapon. The investigation by The Guardian and 16 different media associations recommends inescapable and continuing abuse of the NSO's hacking spyware. Pegasus, which the organization insists is only intended for the utilization against criminals and terrorists. The leak additionally contains a list of more than 50,000 telephone numbers. It is believed to have been identified as those people of interest by clients of NSO since 2016. The telephone numbers, which were chosen conceivably ahead of a surveillance attack, span more than 45 nations across 4 continents. There are more than 1,000 numbers in European countries that the analyst indicated were selected by NSO client. The information on the cyber attack has been in regulation for quite a while. The World Economic Forum has likewise been planning for this. After the COVID-19 pandemic, the world is planning for something huge and is just around the corner. As indicated by the World Economic Forum, the COVID-19 pandemic has shaken our financial aspects and social orders profoundly and shows us how weak we are when it comes to biological threats. In the digital world, similar risks are being overlooked right now. A cyber attack with COVID-like characteristics can spread faster and further than any biological virus. Luckily, at least until now, cyber attacks have not affected our health the way pandemics have, but the economic damages and therefore the impact they have on our daily lives have been equal and sometimes even greater. The World Economic Forum has likewise given the answer for this threat as the best way to stop the exponential propagation of a COVID-like cyber threat is to completely separate large numbers of weak gadgets from each other and from the internet, and all of this is a matter of days. A single day without the internet would cost our economies more than 50 billion US dollars, and that is prior to considering financial and cultural harms should these gadgets be connected to essential services such as transport or healthcare. As the digital realm progressively converges with our actual world, the ripple effects of cyber attacks on our safety just keep on expanding at a faster pace than what we are prepared for. COVID-19 was an anticipated risk. So is the digital equivalent. Let's be better prepared for that. And now is the time. According to the coin market cap at the time of writing, the XRP price today is 52 cents. With a 24-hour trading volume of 2 billion US dollars. XRP is down 8.66% in the last 24 hours. The current point market cap ranking is number 6 with a live market cap of 24 billion US dollars. It has a circulating supply of 46 billion XRP coins and a maximum supply of 100 billion XRP coin. That said, this is it for today's video. We hope that our video was helpful for you regarding your cryptocurrency concerns and questions. What do you think about the price surge by the end of this month, now that the SEC versus Ripple lawsuit is also coming to an end? Share your views in the comments down below. Don't forget to hit the bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.